Hey guys, Paul Pluter on the ArchieLuxury channel, and today I'm doing an unboxing, a reveal. So before we start this reveal, let's do a quick wristwatch check because I invented the wristwatch check. I invented the wristwatch check. What am I wearing today? Is it a bluesy? No, I changed watches. It's a Explorer 1. Explorer 1 39mm. Mark 1. It's a Mark 1 because I got to be honest with you, I thought long and hard about it. I really do love the white gold numerals. That's the reason I went for, this is a 2015. It came from Abita Soy. Abita Soy owned this watch and he sold it to me. Actually, Abita Soy sold it to a Super Alpha, and the Super Alpha sold it to me, the Alpha. So that's the story there. Those Beta Soys, they lose them. They lose them. They can't keep good Rolex. Okay, we're doing an unboxing. Da 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 da. Ba 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 ba. Da 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 da. Okay, fuckers. What do we got here? We've got a box, a beautiful big box. Retail smell. Alam an. What the hell is Alaman? It's actually, this is a commemorative watch. It was for the Alaman. It's a UAE, United Arab Emirates football club. That's actually one of the best football clubs in the UAE. So there you go, guys. It's a special limited edition. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Wristwatch. Okay, now we opened it up. We've opened it up. And let's have a look here. We've got papers. We've got the most beautiful purple. Absolutely. Retail. And if we open it up, we can see, it's a Frank Muller, the master of complications, Frank Muller, Geneva. So we've got a very beautiful timepiece. Frank Muller, this here is a reference 6850. This is number 18 of 100 limited edition pieces. And I've always been a purple. Purple's been my color. So it's, I got to tell you, when this watch came up, I needed to pounce. Now let's take these. This is the outer box, beautiful outer box. And let's take a look. Look at this. This is a really classy done box. Look at this. We've got it's like a briefcase for super rich footballers. And I gotta tell you guys, I think it's really cool. We've now got the Alaman logo on the box itself. Let's open this up. Da-da-da-da. Retail. Ba-da-ba-ba. It's a Frank Muller. And I gotta tell you, this is a very, very cool piece indeed. Now let's take it off the little cushion here. So this here is it's an automatic watch. It follows the Frank Muller mold there, the Frank Muller. I gotta be honest with you, Frank Muller is a brand I've always admired. There we go. It's Torno shape, the most beautiful. We've got the Alam An across the dial there. But even if you're not an Alaman football fan, which who wouldn't be? I love Alaman. It's just beautifully done. Torno case, beautiful Torno case. And this watch here is fitted with a beautiful original Frank Muller strap. And you can see the back of it there, master. It says there, Frank Muller, Geneva, Master of Complications, limited edition. It's got the Alam An logo. It says number 18 of 100. 6850CASA. And there we go. It's just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a Torno. This is a Torno case, which Cartier was very, very famous for Torno cases. And I gotta say, this is, if your color is purple, this is a gorgeous watch itself there. I'm just going to take my Explorer 1 off for one moment. We'll take that off. I'll just put that there. And I'm going to put on the beautiful Frank Muller. The Frank Muller. So we put it on. And I got to tell you, it's got a really nice wrist presence there. Really nice presence. It fits beautifully under the cuff. It's just beautifully done there. So guys, it was an impulse purchase. I bought it I bought it sight unseen, and now that I've got it, I got to tell you the truth, guys. I'm broke as pocus. What am I doing buying watches? I don't have money to pay bills. I'm going to be selling it off. That's correct, guys. There's going to be a follow-up for sale. I'm going to be selling this piece. It's available. It's going to be priced very, very reasonable. This is sort of a $10,000 watch new. I will be heavily discounting this piece, heavily discounting it, pricing it to go there. So I don't normally buy and sell much. I bought it on an impulse, and I got to be honest with you, it's beautiful. Unfortunately, at the moment, I'm a little bit short of money, so I'm going to be selling it. It's one of these things, you've got to know your limits. So guys, if you're interested, email me at ArchieLuxury72@gmail.com. It's a beautiful Frank Muller box papers, full set. Guys, tell me what you think. This is a beautiful, if purple is your color, and why isn't purple your color? Seize the opportunity. So guys, remember, like, subscribe, tell your fuckwit friends, and don't forget to put some nasty comments below. Come on guys, bag it out. Bag out Frank Muller. Bag out everything. Bag out the fact you don't have the 3,500 Aussie, 2.5 US that I'll probably sell it for. Bag out the fact that life hasn't been good to you, because I'm Archie Luxury and I love this Frank Muller. See you later, guys. Hi guys, Paul Pluter, the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III. Guys, I want to tell you, this is so important. Guys, I depend on my Patreon supporters. Just this week, I used my Patreon funds to get myself a fantastic, lightweight, gimbal travel camera. And I just want to say thank you. This was made possible because of my Patreons. The Patreons, they made this purchase possible. And it's, you know, a piece of equipment like this is $600, plus I need a few memory cards. It's such an expensive business. Guys, if you haven't sponsored me on Patreon, please do so. Look in the description for this video here. It'll tell you ways you can help me. Guys, help me stay full-time on YouTube making videos. By helping me on Patreon, you send a small amount each month to me to keep me enthused and making videos. I can buy equipment like this little gimbal camera. Guys, come on, help me a lot, help me very much so, because guys, I want your help. I need help to make quality content. And I got to be honest with you, if I didn't have your help, it's not going to be much good, guys. It's not going to be much good. I need your help to buy equipment and to do things. So guys, sponsor me on Patreon and I'll be here for you. That's right, I'll be here for you. Please guys, help me on Patreon. See you later.